Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on a BMW X3. This one is the E83, so it will be the same procedure from 2004 all the way until 2010. Stay with us to see how we do that, and don't forget to subscribe for about 5 new videos every week. Okay, the first step that you need an 8mm socket and a ratchet. And right there is one screw on the bottom with the 8mm socket that you need to remove, and one right there. So this way we'll be able to pull the fender liner and access the bolts underneath it. Okay, right there. And now we need to go to the other side and do exactly the same procedure on the other side. Okay, this is the driver's side again. You have those two screws with the 8mm socket. One we removed right there and one on the bottom. They are usually not very tight. Once you get them loose, you can unscrew them by hand. And again, you need to pull that fender liner so we can access the bolts for the bumper underneath it. Okay, next right there, after we remove the fender liner out of the way, there is again two screws holding the bumper to the bumper bracket right there with 8mm socket. Okay, this is it, one of them and one on the bottom. So we need to remove those on the driver's side, and now we need to go on the passenger side and do the same procedure there. Again, just two screws with 8mm. We already got them loose, so we can save you some time. Okay, next in the top corner of the bumper, there is one screw right there with T25 screwdriver or a T25 socket right there. So we need to remove this one. Again, this is on the passenger side, and there is one on the driver's side that we need to remove as well. It's again located the same place, right there in the corner. Well, that was the head. It will be hard to show you exactly. Okay, right there, as you can see. Again, they're not very tight, they're just screws. Okay, we remove that one now. Now, underneath the vehicle, there is one bolt with 8mm socket again, right there. Okay, this is the cover, this is the exhaust, so you can see where exactly it is located. Okay, right there we need to remove this one. And now next thing, there is two more, but this time they're with a 10mm socket that we'll need to remove. Okay, let me see if I can get a view there. Right there, next to the exhaust. So we need to remove this one. It's one of them right in this corner, and also there will be one more in the other corner. Okay, actually just a nut, 10mm nut. And well, sometimes bad things happen. There is one more right there with a 10mm socket nut, but this is, as you can see, this one is corroded and it broke, so we will need to be replacing this one. Next thing that we will need to do, open the trunk lid. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, we need to go to the corner and we need to remove that trim piece right there. You need to pull. Okay, now you just pull it like that. That's where the clips are, one there and two in the corner. And now we have one bolt in this corner that we will need to remove again with a T25 screwdriver. You need to take it off all the way. It's holding the bumper towards the rail underneath, right there. It's a screw. And we need to do the same procedure on the driver's side. We need to remove that plastic in the corner, right there. Carefully pull it and remove the screw there with the T25 again, all the way. Okay, now you need to pull, go on the side and pull, it's going in the bracket there, so you need to pull it out. It is a really tight fit sometimes. Okay, you can put one hand underneath the bumper cover right there and push, and you will come out. Okay, like that. And we'll need to do the same procedure on this side right here. And you pull, they tend to get really stuck, especially if it hasn't been removed at all. Go inside again and push, and now you have to hold the bumper because it's going to come off. Okay, like that. And now we should be ready to pull the whole rear bumper of the vehicle. So that's how you remove it, and if you need to replace it or install a hitch, we have the video on our channel how to install a hitch receiver. Feel free to check it out. Thank you guys for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.